In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to open Gate in Curse Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to open your gate to get Sukuna's secret ability, Fire Arrow, and it is going to get a cool new effect and new things that you can explore. So, for you to do this, of course, you will have to be playing as the King of Curses, and then you can just join any private or public server as the King of Curses. Now, once you are inside of a server, if you go over to the left side of the leaderboard, you will be able to find this NPC here. So look for this pillar at the left side of the scoreboard and the dummies, and you will be able to find King. So if you interact with them, this is what they have to say. I can teach you how to open your gate if I receive 600 yen. So basically, to answer the question in title of this video, for you to open your gate, you will need to pay 600 yen for the King NPC. There are various ways to get yen in Cursed Arena, primarily just killing other players, and there is a very fast method, but it is going to cost Robux. If you are desperate to get your gate unlocked, you can purchase yen for Robux. So as you can see, you could purchase 450 yen and then 150. But if you are willing to just wait and get kills, slowly you will be able to build up 600 yen and you will be able to open your gate by talking to this NPC. All that you have to do is talk to them here and then select yes, and immediately you will be able to get it unlocked and you will get the new effects, the new abilities, and so on. And this is all you have to do. Now, sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate this process on screen because my character is a newbie. I don't have the necessary funds, but regardless, this is all you have to do. After you do this, you will get the Awakened Fire Arrow, and like I said, the new effect is going to be available whenever you use the ability in your Awakened form. And all that you have to do is talk to this NPC to get it done. I hope I was able to help you on how to open Gate in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!